Hi, my name is Veli Ndaba, the neuroengineer. I'm on about transforming minds from a place of mental darkness to mental light. And I use a high-performance leadership tool called the Veli Ndaba NeuroEngineering Leadership Effect. And this tool is actually based on the fundamental principles of neuroscience, engineering, as well as motivation. We all need to be motivated. So this high-performance leadership tool is all about that. Are you ready to move from mental darkness to mental light? Then I'm here. Please do give me a call and let's engage further.